lot of question in terms of why now, what brought up the DevOps consideration, at this point, and we've been historically, talking about, how we don't like what's going on and how, different teams are kind of disassociated and so on and so forth. Well, it's exactly that. It's because over the years, we all, complained that development gets to a point where, they give you a product and then they kind of wash their hands off of it and they go away, and now operation kind of suffers trying to make it work and try to support it and so on and so forth. So with that in mind, we basically started, more and more consider how we're going to kind of connect the links, how we're going to make this work end to end, how we're going to have basically the application people with the same mentality and or the same consideration of operation people and vice versa. Also discussion about, time to market. Historically speaking, again, time to market was slower, time to market was affected and or impacted by, the burden of heavy processes in place, where DevOps now is telling you, as an example, you need to have enough processes to make things work rather than buckling and tying up your hands, right, with heavy processes and then, miss the mark, right? So there will be a need, to adaptation from this point of view. There will be a need to a change in culture, in practices, in becoming more, continuous, if you wish. Or the industry at large, is pretty much following the approach, and some of these names are very well known. If you take a look at, example, Google and Facebook and Target and Travelers and Microsoft, and we can, give gazillion examples about who is adopting and adapting the overall approach.